So already on the side of lawfulness, it did not come out. And I'm going to address that particular limb that the Auditor General did not address. Is the Hustler Fund lawful? Will be the basis of my address today. And to do so, I'll begin by referring to how it was established. If you look at through the law, I've looked for it. The only place it's established in law is in the Public Finance Management, that's brackets, financial institutions, close fund brackets, regulations of 2022. It's in the regulations made by the Cabinet Secretary for Finance. These regulations were approved in November 2022, and as you know that the Hustler Fund was launched on 30th November 2022. Unfortunately, 30th November is my birthday, so the Hustler Fund was launched on my birthday. Maybe it was like a birthday gift. So initially, the draft regulations capped the money that could be given to the Hustler Fund at 50 billion shillings. But the final version removed that cap and left it to the National Assembly to allocate whatever it wants to allocate to the funds. And as we stand today, 60 billion shillings has been allocated. That's already 10 billion above what the experts had recommended in the regulations.